If your pins are getting saved but not clicked, or clicked but not booked or converted, this is one of the most frustrating places to be because on paper, it looks like things are working, right? Hey, I'm Jen Vasquez. I help service providers use Pinterest in a way that actually leads to clients, not just metrics. And I want to start by clearing something up. Saves are not the problem. A save usually means this is useful, or I want to come back to this, or this feels relevant to me. Pinterest actually needs saves in order to learn who to show your content to. So if you're getting saves, that's not failure, that's just step one. Where things usually stall is what happens next. Clicks happen when someone feels confident. Confident that you understand their problem, confident that you're credible, confident that what you're offering is worth their time. And that confidence does not come from information alone. It comes from trust. This is where I see a lot of Pinterest strategies quietly break down. The keywords are fine, the topic is solid, and the advice is helpful. But everything feels a little generic. Stock photos, faceless graphics, polished visuals that don't tell you who's actually behind the content. So people save it, but hesitate to click. Or they click, but they don't take the next step. Not because your strategy is wrong, but because the connection isn't strong enough yet. That's what everyone talks about as the know, like, and trust process. Nobody is going to know, like, and trust somebody with one pin. It's just never going to happen, right? Pinterest is a long game. And the goal isn't just visibility, it's helping the right people feel comfortable enough to move forward. So, if you want to understand how strategy, trust, and visibility actually work together, the Creative Marketing Summit walks you through that in a really practical way. It's a free online event happening at the end of February, and it's designed to help service providers build marketing that leads somewhere, not just looks good. You can grab your free ticket at creativemarketingsummit.com. Thanks for hanging out with me today. You crushed it just by showing up for your business. Pick one of these 2 videos next to keep growing your biz the easy way. I'll see you next week.